Say children, I hope you all are safely staying at home. Now I am going to explain how we have to write the given numbers in ascending order and descending order. Here first question is write in ascending order. Here four numbers are given. To write in ascending order, we have to observe the number of digits. Depends upon the number of digits, we can identify which is smallest, then which one next one. Like that we can identify and we can write in ascending order. See, ascending order is nothing but we have to write from smallest to biggest. Observe all the numbers. Here the first number is 5-digit number. Second one is 5-digit number. Third one is also 5-digit number. Fourth one is also 5-digit number. So in that case what we have to do? We have to see the 10,000s place. The highest place number we have to see. Depends upon that we can identify which is smallest and which is greatest. One by one we can write. Here the first number, the 10,000s place, what number we have? 7. Then in this number, the 10,000s place we have 8. And in this place, the 10,000s place we have 2. And here we have 3. So while we are comparing, which is the smallest one? 2 is the smallest one. Definitely this 29,493 we can take it as smallest one. After writing this, we can go for this. Then after this, which one will come? Definitely this one will come. Because here 7 is smaller than 8. So third number we have to write this one. And fourth number we have to write this one. Here I have written the ascending order of the given numbers. The first number, smallest one, 29,493. Second one, 35,227. Third one, 72,897. The greatest number is 82,567. Again, I will tell you to write in ascending order. Just to count the number of digits. Depends upon the number of digits, we can write easily. If number of digits same means we have to observe the highest place position value. Here the 10,000 is the highest one. So while I observed in all the numbers 10,000's place, this is the smallest one. Then 3 is coming, then 7, then finally 8 will come. So that I have written in this order. I hope you understood how you have to write in ascending order. It is nothing but smallest to biggest. The second question is write in descending order. Descending order is nothing but biggest to smallest. From greatest number to we have to write smallest number. Here count the number of digits in the first number. Here 6 digits are there. And in the second number only 4 digits are there. In the third number 5 digits are there. And in the last number also 6 digits are there. The first number and the fourth number 6 digits are there. So this is greater than compared to these two numbers. Because here only 4 digits, here 5 digits. Now we have to identify which is greatest one from these two numbers. So there is no confusion in that because here we have only 4 digits. This one has only 5 digits. Now we have to identify which is greatest among these two numbers. So that we have to observe the highest place value. Here the lakhs place what number we have? 7. Here the lakhs place what number we have? 9. While we are comparing which is greater, definitely 9 is greater. So we can write this one as first number. Then we can go for this one. Because descending order is nothing but greatest to smallest. So first we have to write this greatest number. Then we have to go for this one. Afterwards we have to compare these two. So this has 5 digit and this has only 4 digit. So this one will come at last, smallest one. So before this number we should write this one. I hope you understood. So I have counted the number of digits. While I have counted the number of digits, these two numbers have same number of digits. So I have compared the lakhs place value This one is 7, this one is 9, so this is greater. So I am going to write this one as first, then I am going to write this one. Here I have written the given numbers in descending order. Descending order is nothing but biggest to smallest. I hope you understood how you have to write in descending order. Descending order is nothing but biggest to smallest. Ascending order is nothing but smallest to biggest. So the same model I will give you worksheet. Complete the worksheet. Thank you children.